Hello everyone, hope you had a great weekend. Coming up this Monday, we're going to go ahead and get into our lesson 2 slides. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the slides real quick. I'm not going to get too in depth. We're going to discuss at the end of class, but for this lesson it is chapter 1 lesson 2, character and personality. And if you look on slide 2, we have 6 vocabulary words. You need to make sure that you write down those vocabulary words, and then you find the corresponding definitions that go with them and write them down. I tried my best to make them as bold and stick out as well as possible, but you definitely want to get those 6 down. You go through and you find the answers. Again, like for example, environment here, the definition is going to be the first line only. Everything that surrounds you, for environment. You don't have to write the other bullets in the definition. I think that might be the only one that you run into that's like that, but I try to make that as plain as can be. It's always the first bullet. You don't have to write any examples unless I ask for an example in the worksheet. The third slide, I have what you will learn, what the goal is for the lesson, and then we get into the slides. There's only 10 slides for this lesson, actually really 9 of notes, and then the 10th one is some group talk, group work. So there's not a whole lot to it. My suggestion is get into class, sit down, get your vocabulary done as fast as you can, open up your notes, and fill in those blanks. And the notes are going to pull up here. And I don't know why the header's not showing, but it does have a header on here. Don't know why it's not showing, but anyhow, you don't need the header, but you just need to go through and fill in the blanks. A lot of these are vocabulary as well. Some of it is also step-by-step stuff that's going on in the slides. Make sure that you find the appropriate word or group of words that you need to put in the blank. And I don't care if you type it in or annotate it in, write it in with your finger. Either one works perfect for me. Just make sure whichever one that you do, you make sure and save at the end. Hit the little check mark at the end. And then after you're done, always check the attachment to see if it shows your work. Don't turn it in without checking. All right, once we're done, the last 20-25 minutes of class, we'll open up the slides together, and just like last time, we'll discuss the slides, go one by one, talk about them, answer questions, and I'll let you know exactly which slides or which terms and whatnot you need to know for the test. All right, well, I hope you all enjoyed your weekend, and I'm ready to get after it. Talk to you guys later.